Hi everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. Welcome back to our Spanish classes. Today we're going to learn about estudiar verb. Estudiar means to study. Estudiar means to study. I study Spanish. You study Spanish. He or she studies Spanish. We study Spanish. You all study Spanish. They study Spanish. So these are the question forms in English. Now we look at the statements for Spanish. Okay. I is yo. Study. Estudiar means study. So what is the conjugation for study? As we already discussed, the rule is o, as, a, amos, ais, an. So instead of this ar, we have to keep o. So it becomes estudio. Estudio. So Spanish is called as Espanol. So, yo estudio español means I speak Spanish. Tú estudias español means you speak Spanish. Él or ella estudia español means he or she study Spanish. Él or ella estudia español. Nosotros estudiamos español means we study Spanish. You all study Spanish. Vosotros estudiáis español. They study Spanish. Ellos estudian español. So, estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiáis, estudian. So, this is the conjugation for estudiar, and the statements are yo estudio español, you study Spanish. Tú estudias español, you study Spanish. Él or ella estudia español. Nosotros estudiamos español. Vosotros estudiáis español. And ellos estudian español. So these are the positive statements. Now let's see about negative statements. Yo no estudio español. Tú no estudias español. Él or ella no estudia español. Él no estudia español or ella no estudia español. Nosotros no estudiamos español. Vosotros no estudiáis español. Ellos no estudian español. So simply we have just added no in front of the verb and it has become a negative statement. Like, I don't speak Spanish, you don't speak Spanish, he or she doesn't speak, we don't speak, you all don't speak, they don't study. Now we simply add a question form to the statement. Yo estudio español. I study Spanish. Yo estudio español. Like, do I study Spanish? So, question form. Tú estudias español. You study Spanish. Tú estudias español means, do you study Spanish? Él estudia español. Él estudia español. Does he study Spanish? Nosotros estudiamos español. We study Spanish. Nosotros estudiamos español means, do we study Spanish? Vosotros estudiáis español. Vosotros estudiáis español means, do you all study Spanish? Ellos estudian español. Ellos estudian español means, do they speak Spanish? So this is how we frame a question form. And the answers are C and no. C is equal to yes, no is equal to no. So C, yo estudio español. Yes, I study Spanish. No, yo no estudio español. No, I don't study Spanish. C, él estudia español. Yes, he speaks Spanish. No, nosotros no estudiamos español. No, we don't study Spanish. C, vosotros estudiáis español. Yes, you all study Spanish. No, ellos no estudian español. No, they don't study Spanish. So this is about estudiar verb. So the conjugations are estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiáis, estudian. So it might be like difficult for you to memorize this conjugation. It might take some time for you to memorize this conjugation rules and to frame the conjugation. But once if you're familiar, once you get memorized the conjugation, it's very easy for you to frame statements. If you're able to make a positive statement, if you simply add no, it becomes a negative statement. If you simply add question form, it becomes a question form statement. And if you simply add C, it becomes a positive answer. And if you add no, it becomes a negative answer for this. So this is about estudiar verb. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come up with a new verb in the next coming up video. My name is Praveen Kumar. I'm signing off.